Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is October 2nd, but I got out of my placement school around 3, so it's now, it's got butter all over me. It is now 7:43. I don't even know if you can see that. So I'm just making some dinner real quick. Actually gonna make enough for tomorrow night too, so I can kind of just eat some leftovers, save a little bit of money because your girl is broke right now. I am in my pajamas right now, so don't judge. I just wanted to be comfy. So I'm just cooking some food, and then I'm gonna work on some homework that I have due by Friday. I think it's by Friday. If not, it's due this weekend. Actually, on Friday, my mom, my sister, her friend, and then my friend Jordan, we're all gonna go see Scotty McCreery. He's coming to OU for like the 3rd time, and I've been to every concert, so my mom got us like front row tickets, so I'm super excited about that. Yeah, so I am gonna try to vlog that for you guys. Might not be on this camera, it might be on my phone. Who knows what they'll let me bring into the theater. So yeah, I am gonna finish cooking this and eat some dinner, and then I will be back. Alright, so I did make some Italian dressing chicken. It's literally just chicken that was marinated in Italian dressing overnight, and then I just cooked it. I do like to cut it in smaller pieces because first of all it cooks faster, and then second of all you can tell if it's actually done or not. It makes me nervous that my chicken is not going to be done and I'm going to get like salmonella poisoning or something. The Italian dressing did kind of stick to the side of the pan, which is normal. It did separate a little bit, so that's why you see all the oil in the pan, and then that's all Italian dressing that it was soaked in. I also made some corn. I actually just used steamable corn and just added some salt and a little bit of, I can't believe it's not butter, just to give it a little bit of flavor. I know sometimes steamed corn is not very flavorful, so I just added some pink Himalayan sea salt to it, and a little bit of, I can't believe it's not butter. And yeah, that's how I made my corn. I also really like watching Netflix while I cook, so I'm watching This Is Us. I am in the 1st season. I'm actually on episode 5, and I love it so far. I'm just slowly working my way into it because I don't have a lot of time to watch Netflix, so.
You with one touch, and you can't break free. Yeah, the trouble with girls is nobody loves trouble as much as me. It ain't nothing but a habit. I can make it, I can shake it, I can make it on my own. Ain't like I'm in a jail, I wish you weren't matters, I wish you weren't gone. Love is so much bigger than I am. Brings my heart ever on. Love is something hot, y'all come and get it, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is homecoming here at Ohio University, and I'm just getting ready to go to the parade that they have on Court Street in Athens, and I am going to go to the football game as well. I really like to go watch it. I only really go on homecoming because it's the most fun game, and I really like going to watch the band. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. And then tomorrow we have an alumni brunch at my sorority house, so I'm going to go to that. I will try to vlog a little bit of the game here in a little bit. I'm going to try to use my phone because I don't know if you're allowed to bring cameras in. I don't want to have to walk back to my apartment to take it back because I live pretty far away from the football field. But I will see you guys in a little bit. Bye. everyone, so it is now around 9 p.m. on Saturday. I went to the football game earlier, the parade for homecoming, and my dad actually came up because the brakes went out of my car while I was driving it the other day. So he came to fix those. We took it to my cousin's shop that he lives very close to here, about 2 minutes away. So we took it to his shop and my dad was able to fix it. So I just got back from doing that, but now I'm just going to clean a little bit, do some laundry because it's all piling up and I really need to get it done before the week's over. And I'm going to try to do a little bit of homework. We have an alumni brunch tomorrow at my sorority house, so I'm going to go to that and then spend like the whole day at the library. So yeah, I'm going to try to get some homework done, try to get some laundry done, stuff like that, maybe catch up on a couple shows that I've been watching recently, like This Is Us. I freaking love that show, but I haven't really had a chance to watch it lately, so maybe I'll catch up on some of that. Who really knows? Yeah, I'm just gonna have kind of a cozy night in. A lot of my friends decided to go out and have some fun, but since my dad came, I wasn't able to do anything, so I went with him and we got all of that fixed, so thanks, Dad. But now I'm just kind of being lazy and probably gonna take a shower and get warmed up because it is like winter outside. It's literally maybe 30 degrees outside. Like, it is freezing outside. So yeah, I'm gonna go take a shower, warm up a little bit, maybe make myself some hot chocolate or something like that to warm me up, and maybe watch a Halloween movie or something like that. Get in the mood for Halloween next weekend. Hey everyone, it is Sunday morning. I'm getting ready to go to the alumni brunch at my sorority house and do some homework at the library after that. So I'm just gonna get some study hours in. We have mandatory study hours every week. I technically don't have any because I have a high GPA, but I'm gonna go get some extra in and study with some of my sisters. But that's really all that I'm doing today. It's kind of a boring day, and then I have chapter at 6. This coming weekend is Halloween, and Halloween is a really big thing here at OU, so I know that I'm not going to have any time next weekend to do anything. So then after that, it's Dad's weekend, so I'm trying to get all of my stuff for the next 2 weeks done and all the stuff due this coming week done. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today. Alright guys, so I am getting ready to head to my sorority house to pick up a couple of my sisters, and then we're going to a new member meeting. It's like a meeting for our new members to kind of get acquainted with what the sorority is and what we do, and everything that goes into that. We have to go because we're on Carnation Cruise, which is like older members trying to help the newer members get to know people and stuff like that, and you can find your potential little that way, whatever, blah blah blah, you know. But I'm getting ready to head to that, and then we have chapter right after. Good morning guys, so I am outside on my patio. As you can see, the inside of my apartment. I stepped out here so I don't wake my roommate up. It's around like 7:30. We're getting ready to leave to go to our placement. I say we as in my friend is coming to pick me up, so we're getting ready to leave. Yeah, it's really cold out this morning, so I'm wearing my little Sherpa pullover thing. My mom actually got it off of Etsy, I believe. They have some of these at our bookstore at OU, but they have like the OU symbol on them, and I wanted to be able to wear it after I graduate since they are so expensive. So my mom got me one for Christmas last year. But today is like a dress down day kind of. We get to wear our t-shirts and jeans, so yeah, I'm excited for that.